US President Donald Trump is a self-proclaimed expert on practically all subjects, including COVID-19. Recently, he stunned doctors, scientists, and even the US FDA when he claimed that the FDA approved chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine for COVID-19. Here, watch him announce that.
A drug called Chloroquine, and some people would add to it hydroxychloroquine. So chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine. Now this is a common malaria drug. It's also a drug used for strong arthritis. We're going to be able to make that drug available almost immediately. And that's where the FDA has been so great. They've gone through the approval process. It's been approved. And they did it. They took it down from many, many months to immediate. So we're going to be able to make that drug available by prescription or states. I spoke with Governor Cuomo about it at great length last night. And he wants to be right on he wants to be first on line. And so I think that's there's tremendous promise based on the results and other tests. There's tremendous promise. And normally the FDA would take a long time to approve something like that, and it was approved very, very quickly, and it's now approved by prescription. Individual states will handle it. They can handle it. Doctors will handle it.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, then stepped up to correct Donald Trump. But watch how Donald Trump, being Trump, cut in to save his own face by saying, "We'll see," as if he actually knows anything about medicine or science.
Dr. Fauci, as was explained yesterday, there has been some promise with hydroxychloroquine, this potential therapy for people who are infected with coronavirus. Is there any evidence to suggest that, as with malaria, it might be used as a prophylaxis against COVID-19?
No, the answer is no. And the evidence that you're talking about, John, is anecdotal evidence. So as the commissioner of FDA and the president mentioned yesterday, we're trying to strike a balance between making something with a potential of an effect to the American people available at the same time that we do it under the auspices of a protocol that would give us information to determine if it's truly safe and truly effective. But the information that you're referring to specifically is anecdotal. It was not done in a controlled clinical trial, so you really can't make any definitive statement about it.
Mr. President, on those therapies?
I think without seeing too much, I'm probably more of a fan of that than maybe than anybody. But I'm a big fan, and we'll see what happens.
Take our advice. Please do not believe anything Donald Trump tells you. Listen to Dr. Fauci and qualified scientists and doctors. Stay safe wherever you are.